Yes. Hello students, let's understand about air pollution due to photochemical smog. Now what is this photochemical smog? Photochemical smog means a smog which is formed due to reaction in air. It's due to reaction in presence of sunlight. Smog is actually smoke plus fog. When it is formed, that is called as smog. So let's understand about these. That is photochemical smog. What is this photochemical smog? So what are the pollutants which form this photochemical smog? They are first VOCs. VOCs means volatile organic compounds. They are volatile means they will go up to the air. They will actually convert into vapor form very easily, and they are organic compounds. Now what are their sources? Automobiles and industries are their sources. What are their effects? They cause the blue-brown haze. Haze which is formed, this smog is blue-brown in color. The environment appears blue-brown in color. Then eye and respiratory tract irritation occurs because of this smog, which is caused by these VOCs or volatile organic compounds. And these are released by automobiles and industries. Then second one is ozone or O3, and it is formed only in the daytime or daylight, and 0.1 ppm parts per million reduces photosynthesis by 50%. If 0.1 parts per million of ozone is present in the atmosphere, it will reduce photosynthesis of the plants by 50%. So you see how much ozone has effect on the plants. Then it's caused by, its source is photolysis of nitrogen dioxide. That is breakdown of nitrogen dioxide in the presence of sunlight. And stratospheric ozone intrusion means from the stratosphere, when the ozone enters our atmosphere, or we can say it reaches us near the ground, then it is causing this ozone pollution, or ozone becomes a pollutant for us. Now what are the effects? The bronchi constrict. Bronchi are a part of our respiratory system, and they constrict, they reduce in size. So as a result, coughing and wheezing occurs to the person. It causes eye and respiratory tract irritation. So it affects our respiratory tract. And it is formed, ozone is basically formed because of photolysis of nitrogen dioxide in the atmosphere, which is their primary pollutant. And you see its effect, only 0.1 ppm reduces photosynthesis by 50%. So ozone is very harmful for us. But in this stratosphere, it's useful for us. Okay? Because in stratosphere, it forms a layer which is called as ozone layer, which is protecting us from the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Now come to PAN or peroxyacetyl nitrates. In my previous video also I have discussed about PAN, that is peroxyacetyl nitrate. Now first time this PAN was visible in smog. When smog was formed, then only this PAN was visible on earth. Now PAN is a secondary pollutant which is formed by photochemical breakdown of NO2. NO2 when reacts with VOCs, that is volatile organic compounds, photochemically, that is in presence of sunlight, then it results in formation of PAN. They are called as peroxyacetyl nitrates. And these cause eye and respiratory tract irritation, and they damage the proteins. So they affect the plants also, they affect the animals also. So PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrates, ozone and VOCs or volatile organic compounds. These all are result in photochemical smog formation. And photochemical smog is actually the yellowish haze which is formed actually when the smoke mixes with fog. Then it results in formation of smog. And photochemical smog, that is in the presence of sunlight when this smog is formed, that is in daylight. That is because of these pollutants, and generally it is seen in the winter time when a yellowish haze, yellowish brownish haze is formed in our atmosphere, and that is because of these chemicals. They are VOCs, volatile organic compounds, ozone, and PAN, peroxyacetyl nitrates, which are secondary pollutants. And these secondary pollutants are generally formed by mixing with the primary pollutants, or because of reaction with the primary pollutants or photolysis of the primary pollutants. Okay, VOCs are released from automobiles and industries. So I hope you have understood what is this cause of photochemical smog. Photochemical smog is a big problem in some of the major cities of the world. Like it is a big problem in our Delhi city, because in the winter season in Delhi there is a yellowish haze because of the vehicles and the industries in that region. A yellowish haze is formed. So to stop all this effect of smog, the odd even rule was started by Delhi government so that the vehicles can be reduced on the roads. Okay. So students, I hope you have understood the air pollution which is caused by this, that is resulting in photochemical smog, and this air pollution is caused by some pollutants which are ozone, VOCs and PAN. Okay. So all of these students, all of you can go to my previous videos which are on air pollution, which gives you definition of WHO. World Health Organization has given a definition of air pollution, and then I have discussed about other pollutants also, like primary pollutants like nitrogen dioxide, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. All these are discussed in my various videos. So you can subscribe to my videos if you have understood the topics properly, and these topics are very, very important in your UGC NET exam. Also they are in your CBSE and ICSE syllabus of 10th and 12th standard, and also very little part is there in your 8th standard syllabus. So I hope all of you have understood about air pollution that is resulting in photochemical smog formation. So thank you, and stay safe at home during this time of lockdown.